Before you were born, the artist had a vision, not of failure, not of fear, but of glory. Before I formed you in the womb, I knew you. Before you were born, I set you apart. Jeremiah 1:5. You are not random. You are not rejected. You are God's masterpiece, crafted with eternal intention, shaped by divine hands, and signed with heaven's seal. The potter doesn't start with perfection. He starts with clay. And clay doesn't resist, it surrenders. But we have this treasure in jars of clay that show that this all-surpassing power is from God and not from us. 2 Corinthians 4 verse 7. You've been through storms, heartbreak, rejection. But the artist never wastes a canvas. Every scar is a brushstroke. Every tear a shimmer of light. You are being shaped, not punished. Refined, not rejected. God's hands are not trembling, they're steady. He's not erasing you, He's engraving you. The enemy wants you to believe you're ordinary, but masterpieces are never mass-produced. You're one of one. Heaven's signature is on your soul. For we are God's handiwork, created in Christ Jesus to do God's work, which God prepared in advance for us to do. Ephesians 2 verse 10. You carry the breath of God, the fingerprints of eternity. You were designed for glory, not shame. Shame says hide. Glory says shine. Shame says you're broken. Glory says you're chosen. Shame says you're too late. Glory says you're right on time. You're not just surviving, you're sovereign. You're not just breathing, you are burning with divine fire. You're not just here, you are sent. You're not just seen, you are sealed. You are a chosen people, a royal priesthood, a holy nation, God's special possession, that you may declare the praises of Him who called you out of darkness into His wonderful light. 1 Peter 2, verse 9. So how does a masterpiece walk? With humility, yes, but also with holy confidence. You don't apologize for being chosen. You don't shrink to fit someone else's comfort. You walk like the canvas of heaven. You speak like the poem of the Spirit. You love like a vessel overflowing with divine color. Stop rehearsing your failures. Start revealing your favor. Stop hiding your story. Start honoring your scars. Because masterpieces don't hide. They reveal the glory of the one who made them. Today I declare over you, you are God's masterpiece. You are designed for glory, not shamed. You are not forgotten. You are not forsaken. You are formed, filled, and favored. So rise, shine, and let the world see the artist through you.